nightlights are by far your best friend. I recommend nightlight on one of these outlets here is great because this outlet is just for your sump pump. It's its own circuit. The other area I would put a nightlight would be your garage, inside your garage somewhere. In garages on a modern home, the outlets inside the garage are tied into the outlets on the exterior of the home. So what do I mean by that? Let's say you're at work and the landscapers come. It's summertime, landscapers are doing work outside. They're usually your culprits that do this. They plug in high amperage, devices into your exterior outlets. It may trip a GFI, which is those little push buttons you see on the actual outlets. It says test on one, reset on another.